think we played a fair game, not as good as we wanted to, but at least some of the areas we've been working on as a group, we're starting to see the fruits of it. So on winning the title, everybody is going for the title, and Ulinzi is going for the title too. So I'm hoping we'll be prepared. Yeah, when the time comes.
The game was good, but we had a few turnovers, which led to them getting easy baskets, and also we missed a lot of our baskets under the rim, and also our free throws.